Hey guys, today let's try to fix you can't message this account on Messenger. So if in the case that you come encounter with a problem like that, all we need to do is go on over onto the chat of that person that you could not message, and I'm going to go ahead and explain to you guys directly that the reason for this, or the reason why this is happening on your device, is because this person might have blocked you. And when they blocked you, you could actually do nothing to recover that on your end, since this is something that they can control on their end. So what you could actually do if you still want to go ahead and contact this person is to try to contact them in person or through other social media platforms. Now, one more reason as to why you cannot message this account, or you have come encountered with this problem on a specific account, is because they might have deactivated their Facebook account. And when a person deactivates their Facebook account, of course, you cannot actually message this account as of the moment, and giving you or not giving you the ability to message an account. So what we could actually do is just, again, play the waiting game until they reactivate their account or unblock you from Messenger. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.